Music is the ultimate connector. It breaks down barriers and builds connection. Through Kentucky's rural-urban exchange, Louisville Youth Choir and 4-H choruses of Breckinridge County have come together to unite in song. These youth are from urban and rural areas across our Commonwealth, but showed through their common efforts and talent in music that all barriers can be dissolved through the sharing of this art form.
I like singing because it makes me feel very connected, and I'm able to express myself through words and rhythms and notes, and I just think it's so I just think it's really fun as well to be able to just sing my heart out any way I want.
Well, I really like singing because I've been singing since I was a little kid, and it really opens up my feelings, and I really just get to have fun with new people and fun and exciting adventures.
I was a little bit nervous about it to start, because I just get nervous around people. But it was actually really nice getting to sing with people with different voices and different levels. I think it helped me learn more, but also I felt like getting to sing with a bunch of other people that I didn't know. It helped me feel as if I could connect with them better on a different level.
I make friends pretty easily. I'm very social, but it's been really fun just being with new people and seeing different personalities.